Hi folks, welcome back to Math with Captain Rod. I'm making this video here to be example number 2 of graphing horizontal parabolas. So we're going to take a look at the parabola described by this equation here, x equals y squared plus y minus 6. First thing is let's find the vertex. The y coordinate of the vertex is found by minus b over 2a, which is going to be minus 1 over 2 times 1, which is minus 1/2. All right. X coordinate we can get by plugging that back into this equation here. Minus 1/2 squared minus 1/2, and then minus 6. That's going to be 1/4 minus 1/2 minus 6. All right, let's deal with this now. Fractions, everybody loves fractions, right? Common denominator is a 4, so that we can write as 1 over 4. This one will be 2 over 4, because we have to multiply by 2 over 2. And that one's going to be 24 over 4, because we got to multiply this by 4 over 4 to give that a denominator of a 4. All right. So what do we get out of this? Let's see, minus 1 and minus 24. Minus 25/4. All right. So as a decimal, what is that, 6.25? So this is minus 6.25. I'll use the decimal when I graph it. So 6.25 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a little more to the left. And then the y coordinate was minus 1/2. So that vertex, as accurate as I can get it without my glasses, is about right there. Now, by looking in front of this y squared number, we know that it opens right. So this parabola is going to look something like this. I'll draw the details here after I have the y-intercepts. So we'll take this thing and let's use the fact that x is 0 to find those intercepts. This one kind of looks like it factors. Let's try y plus 3, y minus 2. I'm hoping, and I'm going to check that, plus 3y minus 2y. There's my middle term, minus 6. Yes, we're good. This has solutions of y equals minus 3 or y equals 2. So we know now that the y-intercept here, one of them is at 0, 2. Another one is the 0, negative 3. Okay. And that's enough to sketch this thing. You know, before I sketch it, let's go ahead and get where it crosses this axis as well. And you'll notice here, if you put 0 in for y, you get negative 6 out for x. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's right there. That one more point's a little tiny bit of help. Let's go ahead and now sketch our parabola. Whoops. I'll rotate my screen here to maybe something like this. The axis of symmetry is that cool red axis right there, described by y equals minus 1/2. Again, this is just a sketch. To get a better picture, what you would do is get more points, like maybe put in, we could have put in like negative 2 for x and got a pair of y values out. Maybe in the next example I'll do that to try to get a few more points to have a little bit better sketch. But for now, this is probably good enough for this example. I hope that this helps. Have a great day.